Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I am going to talk about Criblock Retaining Walls, a quick overview. So normally there are two types, timber or concrete, and the way it works is you actually make frames using the timber or the concrete, and within the frames you then fill that with stone. So it's a gravity based design. So that's the concept of Criblock. Very simple to build. Let me just show you a couple of images. So this is a concrete Criblock and a timber Criblock. So personally, I would go for the concrete Criblock because they last longer than the timber Criblock. I've seen quite a few examples of failed timber Criblock. Personally, I prefer to go for the concrete Criblock. So this is a design table showing you the height, the type of crib, the stone fill, base width and depth, the surcharge allowance, and the factor of safety. And as you can see, as the walls go higher, we build them wider at the base to give greater mass. Very similar to any masonry gravity wall. Every wall has to be designed because every project is different. So this is just telling us what we've allowed for in the design. So the ground bearing pressure of 200 kilopascals, surcharge of 10 kilonewtons, and well graded granular fill as the backfill. Please go and watch the retaining wall design video and read the page, because then you'll learn more about the design process. It's really important to understand. Because we've done the design tables, we can then put some prices against it to give a budget. That was the purpose of doing the guides. So here we've got the heights of the wall, and then I've broken it down into labour, plant, material, total, supply only price. And so you can see a wall 1.8 metres high by 100 millimetres long is 180 square metres times £400 a square metre, which is this box here. Budget £72,000, and then you can see supply only, labour, plant and material. And then you can also look at the timber Criblock, which is more economical. So the same example is 180 square metres at £325 a square metre, giving you a total of 58,500. And then you can see supply only, labour, plant and material. So thank you for listening. The next step will be to ask any questions, or if you'd like us to look at a price, complete the relevant form below. Until then, thanks for listening. Bye for now.